सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल 12 तारखेच्यान चालू जाता आणि आम्ही जाणा की वेगवेगळे इव्हेंट्स आणि वेगवेगळे एक्झिबिशन्स वेगवेगळे क्युरेशन्स हे ह्या सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवलाक आसता. आयज म्हाज्या वांगडा एक असोच मानीस आसा जो ह्या क्युरेशना पैकी एक आसा. You have been seeing this festival for many years.
Right.
You have been following this. So why you choose to participate in this festival?
I was associated with the festival as a curator from the very beginning in 2016 and 2017, and because I live in Goa, I was always interested in bringing the work of artists who live and work in Goa and Goan themes, as well as work from outside to the festival. So, I mean, when in the 10th year I was called back, so naturally I will come back because I've been closely associated with this festival for a very long time. I'm curating two exhibitions. One is called Chari Vado, which is about the Charis of Moira, and that is for the photographer artist's name is Mrinal Bahukhandi, and he works with antique processes, which are the old processes of the 1800s for making the portraits of the Charis of Moira.
Okay.
The other work is by a young photographer whose name is Divya Kawasji, and that work is co-curated with another curator. Her name is Tanvi Mishra, and that is about her looking at her family archive and history and presenting that in a more modern way. So, I think it's both the works. One is focused on family archive and family history, which all of us have as photographers. We have family albums and etc. And it gives us a nice insight to people who are interested in photography of how to view their own history in pictures. And Chari Vado brings forward a community's pictures using antique processes which are now becoming sort of popular. People are going back to film and antique processes. So I think both ways it's important in today's day to have such shows. The photographer Mrinal Bahukhandi has worked with the Charis for the last 2 years. He learned carpentry for them. He's been photographing in their locality. They know what he's doing. They are getting the pictures. They will get the plates from him. So it's going to be very important that way for them, and they're going to come to the exhibition. They will all come. The entire village will come here. Wait and see, and that's great. When if art festivals can involve communities, it's a very great thing. And like you said rightly, photography is about memories, and both the shows that I'm curating are very strongly about memories and preserving that memory and presenting it and keeping it for posterity in a way that it is accessible and enjoyable for people. Both the exhibitions are in the old GMC building on the first floor, right next to each other. You should come and see that exhibition there.
Yes, sir. And the date of opening? 14th.
14th it opens, and like all the exhibitions go on till the 21st.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.